Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, 14-inch Elite, Scoop, Stumpy 2. Back again. Up there is where we got that patch in the last video. For those who haven't watched it, go and watch that video. We hit some gold up in there. What I'm going to do is work up a little bit higher and then come down into it. But first, what I want to do is give a shout out to another channel. Now hopefully all you guys can get across and subscribe to this person's channel and check out the work. It's not detector or detecting or prospecting or gold related. This channel is all about art. She does absolutely amazing stuff, guys. It'd be really appreciated if you could head across there and subscribe and check out her work. She's a young aspiring artist and she loves to see people smile, and she told me if her art can be the reason for that, it means the world to her. So Shayful Art actually done a painting of this as well, and she's reaching out to a few other channels as well. It's only for a limited time. Absolutely awesome, the painting she done of that, and I'll bring up some of her stuff now.
Hello everyone, today I'm giving a shout out to Minelab Gold, a wonderful YouTuber based in Australia. I'd have to say my favorite thing about his videos is his stunning filmography. I'll be honoring his channel with a quick watercolor sketch of the famed Coiltek.
And there we go, guys. How cool is that? That's Shayful Art. Pretty cool stuff that she does. And like I said, head across, check out the channel. Mean an absolute world to her if you guys could subscribe, and I'll bring up those details. I'll put her details in the description below, and I'll bring an end card up at the end of the video. Pretty cool stuff. Anyway, let's go detecting. Okay guys, what we're going to do is have a go through here. You can see all the litter on the ground, so hopefully this could be good as well. But where we are, you can see it goes down that way. That patch was down sort of on that direction there. Even though the water flow is going this way, I'm going to try in this spot just here, up a little bit from it, and see how we go. Okay, we have a target just down here in the ground. I'll plug in the external, give you guys a listen. Got a few small ones, I'll show you them after. This one's a big target. Alright, whoa, what could this be? Let's see. Oh, what do we got here? I can see it. I'll just unplug this, bring you guys in, poking its head out of the top. Here we go, we'll go down. Still in the ground, right there. It's a bit rusty there. Here we go. Oh, how cool is that? That's awesome. Old pocket knife. Oh, that's cool. Got the wooden sides. That's very old. It's actually funny, I've found, I think, about 3 in the last maybe 3 weeks. Oop, there goes a rabbit. Down through there. Pretty sure it was a rabbit. That's awesome. On to the next target. What do you reckon? We'll go see what we can get. We're going to head down in here. That gold was that way, so let's see what we can get. If I get any targets that sound nice, I might even run back to the car once we find them with this run back to the car and I'll get the Equinox and the Gold Monster. We'll just wait until we get some targets that sound good with the GPX. Okay guys, that's where we were, just up the top there, work down here. Not much in between there, nothing at all, absolutely dead quiet. But we've came to this spot here. Beautiful target in here, right in between all of these prickles. So what I'll do, do you guys want me to go and get the Gold Monster and the Equinox and run it over here? I'll show you this target. Beautiful sound. What I'll do, I'll just quickly run back to the car, fair walk back, so I'll just go and get them and we'll run them over and see what we got. Alrighty, here we are. Whew, that took some work. Anyway, what we'll do is I'll fire these up real quick and we'll see what response we're getting. Best thing about that is once we get this target out, I don't care about what the indicators say. Once we get the target out, it'll give you an idea of depth as well. So even if they respond, but let's go. Alrighty, Gold Monster first. No worries there. I'll just give that a boot scrape. That way we've got a clean surface. Alright, so we're getting a reading with the Gold Monster. Well, that's cool. Be good to see what comes out. So we're getting a reading with the Gold Monster. Obviously it's picking up minerals in the ground, so it's flicking that way, but we did get a little pop on the right. So Equinox, let's go. Equinox 800 in action. Let's see what she does. Alrighty, so here we go. That's not too bad with the ground. Nah, so that's not giving us a reading on that one. Let's juice up the sensitivity to 20. Okay, so on 20 that's giving us a reading for a target. Just. We'll go to 25. I think that's just interference from the camera, so don't worry about that. Beautiful. And there we go. So that was just interference from the camera, but we could work past that because we knew we were getting that interference. Both machines, as you can see, does become a little bit difficult in 25 on that, unless you understand grounds. But all three machines hitting this target. Let's get it out. Alright, here we go. Beautiful. A little bit of EMI today. Got a little bit of cloud cover, so... Oh, he's into the gravel. Okay, I've got a good feeling about this. We can see some red there and it dips in, so this could just be a little pocket just here. Alrighty, wish me luck. Wish me luck on this. This should be the final oh yeah, this should be the final go, hopefully. If not, or might still be in there. We'll just try again. Oh, that sounds real good. Come on, guys. Send in those comments. Tell me what you think this is going to weigh, whether it's going to be... Actually, tell me what you think it's going to be first, and then stick in those weights based on that sound. We're on the red clays now. Oh, look at that red goodness. Oh! Nah, just missed it. Just missed it, I think. There we go. I reckon that'll have it. I said that last time, but let's see. Come on, Gold. Oh, she's still in there. Oh. Oh. Whew. Oh, that's got to have it. Normally they won't go too far. Oh, there we go. She's out. Woo. I'll bring you guys up a little bit. Bit closer to this. Whew. I can see it. I can see it, guys. Oh, I thought I'd bring you up closer to the action. Oh, oh, I'll take that off. I'm actually hot now. I can see it. It's sitting right there. Don't know if you guys can see it. Pick that up. Get your weights in. This is an awesome piece of lead. Ready? Alright, here we go. Time for the reveal. Let's see what we got. Well, that doesn't happen often when you get them out and see them sitting on the pole. But if you actually have a look here, where we scrape those gravels from, see that soft pocket? How it dips down in there? Real dense, and then all those gravels were sitting in there. Cool, cool. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, I can't do the human dry blower because it's a bit wet, this material. That's not going to work. Alright, let's go. Ready? There it is, right in the middle. Right in the middle there, poking its head up. Alright, here we go, here we go. Oh, that's cool. How cool is that? You know what I'm going to say to that, don't you? That's gold, guys. You ripper. There's a piece for you, Johnny. Yeah, gather your thoughts and see what you reckon that weighs. Check that out. That's cool as. That's about 10 targets later, but got that pocket knife. Very cool. I'll bring those weights up on screen right now. Well done, whoever guessed that. Very good. Alrighty. Fill hole in. And then I'm going to head just down through here. Just down through here. That patch was a little bit further down that way. Yeah, just continue through and see what we can get. Okay, back again over there. Just around the other side of that bush, that's where we got that patch. So we're sort of in line, and you could say it's about maybe 15 to 20 metres away from it. So I'd still class that as being within that zone. Yeah, got a nice little target down here. Sounds like buckshot size sound, but let's just plug in the external, give you guys a listen. Okay, so you can hear that, very small sound. We'll just give that a scrape on the top, and hopefully that's still in there, obviously. Whoa! I think I pushed it back in the hole. Alright, she's in there, she's in there. Alright, wish me luck. What? Guess what we got? That's gold, guys. You beauty. Alright, let's go down on this one. Right in the hand. Let me just get that one. There we go, Johnny. Here's one for you, mate. That's gold, guys. You ripper. Only small, but hey, that's all good. Well done. Gather your thoughts real quick. I'll bring those weights up on screen. Sub-gram, so good luck. Here we go. Whoa. Here we go. Oh, I forgot to mention too, that last one. So we hit it with all those 3 machines, and it was about, I would say, 6 to 8. I would say probably say 8 inches. So 8 inches on that last piece with the gold monster and the Equinox. So whatever that gold weighed on the screen, obviously I don't know, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Alrighty, here we are. I've got to head out, so we're back. Alrighty, here's what we got. I'll take you guys down. Well, that was hard work walking back through there with 3 machines. Whew. Anyway, but that was cool. We got the Monster, Equinox and GPX 4500 on that target. I'd done a couple more targets as well. Some the smaller machines didn't hit, but very cool anyway. Always good to change up your day. So there's the two we got today. Very cool. There's some of the other targets we got. Yeah, that didn't make much of a noise, that one. That was very, very quiet, that one. And the cool pocket knife. Very cool, that. I don't know if you guys can see the make on there. How well that's showing up. Remington. And, whoa. Oh no, it's not a Nike symbol. That's an old square nail of some sort. We all love to get those. That's what I got today. That's a very good day though. So yeah, anyway, make sure you guys head across to the channel that I mentioned at the start of the video, Shafel Art. She's from America, so by the time you guys get to see this video, she'll probably still be sleeping. And it'd be really, really great if she would wake up to seeing a lot of subscribers as well. So it's just a small thing to ask from you guys. Tell your friends and family about the channel. Like, I mean, kids would enjoy that stuff too. They could get inspired from the way that she does her artwork. So, and she would be very happy waking up to see subscribers on her channel, because it's a new channel. So let's see if we can get her to 100 subscribers before she wakes up. That would mean the world to her. Anyway, that's me done. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks very much for tuning in. Absolutely love yous all. Next Tuesday, 8:30 PM. Give us a thumbs up. You know you want to. See you guys.